Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can create a site on Wix for an online store. So let's get right into it. As you can see, I'm on my dashboard right now after logging in, and I have one site already made, but I'm just going to go ahead and click to create a new site. This is going to open up a completely new editor, and it's going to allow me to use AI to create a site. And I'll just go ahead and start the chat. I want to create an online storefront, for example, and then it's going to give you some suggestions on how you can build your site better. And as you can see, what will be the name of your online store, for example, tutorial store. And then it's going to give you an option for a template after maybe a few questions, and what type of products, for example, cosmetic products, just as an example. And as you can see, online store setups, online stores, and Instagram. And after I enter cosmetic products, specific goals in mind. Are you looking to reach a certain number of monthly sales or expand into new product lines? Expand into new lines. It's very easy to do this with AI. You can also manually search for a template which best fits your site. However, I have an idea that this is much easier and much better. And what sets your unique selling point? Best quality. Well, let's say the best quality to cost ratio. And once I enter that, it should give me more information. How long, new, and it's just gonna continue building the site profile over here. And you can at any point end the chat and continue. It's just gonna keep asking questions until you're satisfied. And as you can see, you can go to your dashboard, and I'll go straight to it. As you can see, it's preparing the dashboard, installing the apps based on the goals, generating custom products, and creating a personalized setup. And after this loads, it should have a very rudimentary setup, which you can then edit forward. And as you can see, it has set everything up. From here, we can go into site and mobile app, website and SEO. It's going to straight go to the website. Then I'm going to go ahead and create the site design, and I'm not going to use AI. But you can then select whichever sort of template that you want. For example, I'll select this one, just click edit, and then it's going to give you a template which you can play around with, and you can add any products, you can integrate any other online storefronts if you have them, and it's very easy to do. As you can see, it literally took me only a minute or 2 minutes, however long this video has been going on for, and it's going to be very satisfying, I guess, very satisfactory. At least for the first step. It's going to make your job a lot easier. And as you can see, while it's preparing the site, it does take a few seconds, and this is what it looks like. And as you can see, you can then of course edit the site to enter your company name, and you can enter all your products. As you can see, it created some segments and it's creating text, so let's just wait ahead for it to polish the text. This is all due to the AI. And as you can see, this is the landing page or the home page. There are some new arrivals here, or as an example, recommended for you, browse by category, must have pics, etc, etc. And as you can see, it is a very easy way to create a quick website on Wix. Hope you guys enjoyed, and we'll be seeing you guys in another video.